you believe that under the terms of this bill, if it were in force, Sai Baba and the act of producing vibhuti would be construed to be promotion, propagation, or the practice of black magic?
Yes. Sai Baba, if he comes to Mumbai and performs something like this, he will be booked.
Let's bring in Mr.
And just one line.
Hush. Don't confuse the issue. Let me bring in Mr. Manav and see if he agrees with you. Mr. Manav, it's been alleged as an example to prove that your definitions are misleading, that if Sai Baba came to Bombay, under the terms of this act, he would be arrested for black magic.
सर, जो भी कोई किसी ढंग का चमत्कार करेगा, सो कॉल्ड मिरेकल करेगा, वो सब के सब इसके अंदर आएंगे.
माफ करेगा, आप मुझे सीधा जवाब दीजिएगा. मैं साई बाबा और विभूति की बात कर रहा हूं.
नहीं, साई बाबा ने तो 2 साल पहले डिक्लेयर किया कि मैं इसके बाद कोई मिरेकल नहीं करने वाला हूं, इसलिए वो स्पेसिफिक नाम लेने में कोई मतलब नहीं है. लेकिन अगर कोई भी एक बार महाराष्ट्र में ये एक्ट लागू होने के बाद में शेड्यूल में जो 12 एक्ट्स डिफाइन की गई है, वो 12 एक्ट्स में से कोई भी एक्ट करता है तो ही इज पनिशेबल.
और अगर उन 12 एक्ट्स में समझिएगा कल साईं बाबा बॉम्बे आए और विभूति बनाए, तो फिर साईं बाबा भी इस एक्ट के नीचे कवर हो जाएंगे
ना. कोई भी कवर होगा. वाई साईं बाबा?
आनंद ग्रोवर, लेट मी ब्रिंग यू इन दिस पॉइंट.
निकाले तो मैं भी कवर हो जाऊंगा ना.
आनंद ग्रोवर, वुड यू एक्सेप्ट that regardless of what individuals may think of Sai Baba and about the act of producing vibhuti, any bill that seeks to criminalize Sai Baba is surely unacceptable?
Well, I think if he were to deceive and defraud, which is the intention of this bill, though it is very imprecisely drafted, I think even Sai Baba should be punishable. But that's not the point. I think
that is the point. Can I interrupt? You added a very important codicil. You said if he were to be seen to be defrauding. But suppose he's not. Suppose Sai Baba comes and in the eyes of his believers...
if it's defraud...
But if it's not fraud, if it is an act of...
Well, there are certain practices...
Yes, go ahead.
Can I answer that?
Yes. Go ahead.
But I think that if people are defrauding, deceiving, and in the eyes of his followers, he is actually performing miracles, and they believe that he's actually doing something miraculous, and he may not be on the face of it defrauding them. I don't think